Ruponta ya National Dissemination of Local Government Management ahamkorere no kusyo buherezo mu bantu yatongozwe rizoba kandi yatongozwe nganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja ahar Hotel Africana omri Kampala. Ukuchondozo kukozwe mu reportage kwashomwa Gonzaga Mayanja or Commissioner Monitoring and Evaluation of Local Government ha office zenganzi y'ihanga aho district y'Isingiro yasingeze indi district no bonero kinana na mwenda harigana aha bushonshoreke bwona obabire no bagenderaho okurenga za district zona omwihanga omubukwatirine no kukora hamwe no kusya abantu obuhereza.
The second one is Kiruhura, which has 80%. In the third position, right on the Prime Minister, we have 2 districts. We have ebaire district and the Kampala district also covering 79%.
Mayanja hona yarangirira Kalachi District Local Government nka district ekirize yo gukora kubi bayima yo kwihayo bonera abirunabona aharigana.
And the efforts are being put in place to support these local governments to improve on those areas where they are weak.
Enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja obwari kutongoza rupontage yashaba bebembezi baza local government okorese bishohwire omu rupontage okutereza enshobi ne baremere kwikiriza omu districts zabo.
I want to lastly urge you to use this event to identify the challenges that are hindering service delivery in your respective local governments and propose actions for addressing them. I hope many more districts will appear among the best performers in the next assessment report.
Richard Rwabuhinga oruchairman w'entebe ya katano habwa Kabarore district kandi hono orukora nka chairman wa Ulga yashaba central government okora omwoga gwayo okuhereza local government ebirukwetagisa okusya abantu obuhereza.
Right honorable, as you see here, not everybody is here. Not everybody is here. Despite the fact that we have facilitated, I was seeing on our forum, some of the district chairpersons, the cars broke down on the way. Maybe they will arrive here as we close this very informative meeting.
Chairman w'entebe ya katano w'Isingiro Aron Turahi yaegekera kukoraje kwabo aha kwatansa kandi no kumanya icyo barukwenda nkabebembezi n'abakozi ba district.
Nyenda okutwara umugisho go kusima my technical team habo kuba abantu banje aba technical bebemirwe kawu bakozire. Nyenda kusima politicians kanso yanje ya district ba chairman ero C3 ba chairman ero C1 habo kubeja assessment ekaza no magomborra kandi shuka ngoma hugwa hwire tukatu biraba kabiri
nashemerwa munonga kugira ngo ibanda district local government eriyo mu district si omwihangeri ezukozireje munonga last financial year tukaba tujyabo kubanza okadi financial tubiraba kashatu ahabo kugira ngo tukagira issues ncyananche omu water department
gasha kwa Ismail Kashoha.